Yo, what's up everyone? It's AI Side News with a special one for you today. We're talking AI, but not just any AI. We're diving deep into ChatGPT and how it can seriously level up your side hustle or business. Now you might be thinking, AI, that's for the tech giants, not for me. But trust me on this one, ChatGPT is changing the game and it's way more accessible than you might think. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this tool can save you time, spark new ideas, and help you connect with your audience in ways you never thought possible. So, if you're ready to unlock a whole new level of productivity and creativity, buckle up because we're about to break down everything you need to know about using ChatGPT to boost your business. Let's get into it. Alright, first things first, let's talk about what ChatGPT actually is. Now, I know language model sounds kind of technical, but stick with me here. Basically, ChatGPT is this super advanced AI developed by OpenAI that's been trained on a massive amount of text data. Think of it like the ultimate writing buddy, but way smarter. It can understand your prompts, generate human-like text, and even adapt its style to match yours. We're talking everything from writing emails and social media posts to brainstorming business ideas and even drafting full-blown articles. It's honestly mind-blowing how powerful this thing is. And the best part? It's constantly learning and evolving. OpenAI is constantly updating it, so it's only getting better over time. This isn't just some passing tech fad. This is the future of how we interact with technology and get things done. Now you might be wondering, okay, ChatGPT sounds cool and all, but how does it actually help my business? Well, let me break it down for you. For entrepreneurs and side hustlers, time is your most valuable asset, right? ChatGPT can automate a ton of those tedious, time-consuming tasks that eat into your day. Think about it. Writing product descriptions, crafting marketing copy, responding to customer inquiries. ChatGPT can handle all of that and more. Imagine this. You're launching a new product and you need to get the word out there. Instead of spending hours writing social media posts, you feed ChatGPT some key details about your product and target audience. Boom! It generates a week's worth of engaging, shareable content in minutes. That's time you can now spend on strategy, networking, or even just taking a much-needed break. And it's not just about saving time, it's also about working smarter. ChatGPT can analyze data, identify trends, and even suggest new content ideas based on what's performing well in your industry. It's like having a 24/7 marketing assistant that never sleeps. One of the coolest things about ChatGPT is its ability to unlock creativity. We've all been there staring at a blank page, feeling stuck in a rut. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Let's say you're trying to come up with a new side hustle idea, but you're drawing a blank. You can literally ask ChatGPT something like, give me 5 creative side hustle ideas for 2025. It'll then analyze trends, consider emerging markets, and generate a list of potential business ideas that you might never have thought of on your own. And the best part is, you can get super specific with your prompts. Don't just ask for generic ideas. Tell ChatGPT about your skills, interests, and target audience. The more information you give it, the more tailored and relevant its suggestions will be. Think of ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner that's always down to bounce ideas around. It's like having a direct line to a never-ending well of inspiration. Okay, let's talk content. Whether you're running a blog, a YouTube channel, or just trying to stay active on social media, we all know how much work goes into creating high-quality content consistently. ChatGPT can be a game changer in this area. Need to write a blog post about the latest trends in your industry? Feed ChatGPT some background information and key talking points, and it'll generate a well-structured, informative draft that you can then tweak and personalize. The same goes for social media. Tell ChatGPT you need captions for your latest product photos, and it'll whip up some engaging copy that's tailored to your brand voice and target audience. You can even ask it to generate different versions of the same caption to see what resonates best. And it's not just about individual pieces of content. ChatGPT can help you plan your entire content strategy. Need a content calendar for the month? ChatGPT can create one, complete with topic suggestions, relevant hashtags, and even optimal posting times. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great in theory, but does ChatGPT actually work in the real world? The answer is a resounding yes. We're seeing more and more entrepreneurs and businesses leverage ChatGPT to achieve some pretty incredible results. For example, there's this marketing agency that used ChatGPT to personalize their email campaigns, and they saw a 20% increase in open rates and a 15% jump in click-through rates. Another example is this e-commerce store that used ChatGPT to generate product descriptions that were optimized for search engines. They saw a significant boost in their organic traffic and sales. These are just a few examples of how ChatGPT is making a tangible impact, and as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases emerge. Now here's the thing about ChatGPT, it's a powerful tool, but it's only as good as the prompts you give it. If you want to get the most out of ChatGPT, you need to be specific, clear, and intentional with your instructions. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just walk into a restaurant and say, "Give me food," right? You'd specify what kind of cuisine you're in the mood for, any dietary restrictions you have, and maybe even ask for recommendations. The same principle applies to ChatGPT. Instead of giving it vague prompts like, "Write me a blog post about marketing," try something like, "Write a 500-word blog post about the latest trends in digital marketing for small businesses," focusing on actionable strategies and real-world examples. The more specific you are with your prompts, the more targeted and relevant ChatGPT's responses will be. Look, AI is an incredible tool, but it's not about replacing human creativity and expertise. The real magic happens when you blend the power of AI with your own unique insights and experiences. Think of ChatGPT as your AI assistant, not your ghostwriter. Use it to generate drafts, outlines, and ideas, but then put your own spin on things. Add your personal voice, your unique perspective, and your expertise to the mix. That's what's going to make your content stand out from the crowd. People connect with authenticity, and that comes from infusing your work with your own personality and experiences. So embrace the power of AI, but don't be afraid to make it your own. One of the most important things to remember about using AI is that it's a learning process. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts, test out different features, and see what works best for you and your business. The more you use ChatGPT, the better you'll become at crafting effective prompts, understanding its capabilities, and leveraging its power to achieve your goals. It's all about iteration and finding what works best for you. And remember, AI is constantly evolving. New features are being added all the time, so stay curious, keep exploring, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of what's possible. As we wrap things up, I want to leave you with this thought. AI is not just a passing trend, it's the future of how we work, create, and do business. The sooner you embrace these tools and learn how to leverage them effectively, the better equipped you'll be to thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape. ChatGPT is just one example of the incredible AI-powered tools that are emerging. From marketing automation to customer service chatbots, AI is transforming every aspect of business. And the best part is these tools are becoming increasingly accessible to businesses of all sizes. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, there's never been a better time to explore the world of AI and discover how it can help you take your business to the next level. Alright, so we've covered a lot of ground today, but the main takeaway is this. ChatGPT is a seriously powerful tool that can change the way you work and create. It's like having a super smart assistant that can help you brainstorm ideas, generate content, and even automate tasks, freeing up your time and mental energy to focus on what really matters, growing your business. Now, I know AI can seem a little intimidating at first, but trust me, once you start using ChatGPT, you'll be amazed at how intuitive and easy it is to use. And the best part is, it's only getting better over time. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative features and capabilities emerge, making ChatGPT an even more valuable tool for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, experiment, and see how ChatGPT can help you unlock your full potential. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.